Hey, what is going on, guys? Titan here, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys the computer I will most likely be getting. This is not the MSI CX61. This is actually the Elitebook. No, you can't see it, it's too dark. It's the Elitebook 8540P. It has an i7 vpro with 4 gigs of RAM and a NVIDIA NVS 5100M. And guys, I was really hesitant and scared out of my mind. I thought this thing would suck FPS wise, but right now, let me just show you guys. It's hard holding an iPhone and doing this, but I'm playing on 8 chunks right now with every single thing on except for this because that's kind of stupid. And I'm getting 200 FPS, guys. This is friggin' insane. Actually cannot believe this. This laptop is insane. And this is the one I'm going to be playing on, and that's my new skin, by the way, guys. I am still, as you may see, on my old account because I don't have a new account. If you want to donate to me for a new account, that'd be insanely awesome, guys. But I just want to show you, my parents had a concert, and I just wanted to test it out on it, because this is the one I will be getting if I get one anyway, because we're still trying to figure out. My dad's scared that I'll just spend all my time on this. With FPS like that, I pretty much will. But, guys, I am insanely excited. Like, I didn't wipe this computer. I didn't, like, clear everything, so Minecraft is the only game. There's so many other things open in the background, not in the bottom, but like programs running, and this thing is getting 200 FPS on normal with everything on, with fancy and everything. So yeah, this is just insane. Let's turn it to 12, see how it runs on 12. It is quite a bit lower, but I think I'm just gonna keep it on 8 and then get a sweet pack. I mean, but still, 100 above 100 FPS. That's so dirty without Optifine, guys. This is so sick. I am running on 1.7.110. I don't really know what there is. I'm just so excited, guys. This is so sick. I'm just gonna run. If I get it. I don't know, my dad's probably still going to be upset at me. Hopefully I can get this. Oh my god, guys, if I can get this. Whew, this is going to be so sick. Awesome videos coming soon. But, yeah, guys, this is just insane. If I go, let me see if I can go into full screen for you guys. The FPS is still insane. And this is without Optifine, without anything closed on the computer. Oops, it's now over in the corner. But still, 250 FPS. I'm freaking done. And by things open, oh wait. By things open, I'm talking about like in the corner here. There's like a lot of stuff open. And there's most likely a lot of programs open in the background. I'm not sure. Let's see. I have one program open. It's only using 30% of the CPU. Processes, there's 72 open, guys, and this thing is still running 230 FPS. Oh my god. That's insane. Like, you guys can see, like, it is using around, it doesn't move. The RAM does not move, which is sweet. It stays right at 2 gigs, which is good. And the CPU, guys, this CPU, it's a Windows i7 vpro, which is absolutely just dirty. I'm going to see if I can open that for you guys. Wait one sec. I want to just show you off this computer, because if I end up getting a computer, this is going to be the one I'm getting. And you guys might be like, if? I'm like, well, yeah. There's still controversy to see if I get it, but that's the statistics, and oh my god. I am so speechless. Like, I swear to God, I almost cried when I got in and I saw it running like this. Oh my god. Whew. It was at like 350 and I had to turn everything on. It's just insane. I'm gonna do one last check. This will really show a lot because I used to play with settings like this. My settings used to be like this when I had to play, and we'll see what it's like. That's on. All right, so let's see how much FPS we are getting now. Probably not a humongous change, but I mean, we're getting 400 FPS, but guys, I used to play at 40 FPS and oh my god, and record at 20. This is insane. Sorry this is a long video. Wanted to show you guys. This is also my new skin. If you guys want to make some art for that, it's pretty sweet. You saw my username earlier in the video. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Anyway, leave a like. Let's aim for 15 likes. We didn't hit the like goal last time, but 15 would really be sweet. Anyway, see you guys later. Peace.